So I pretty much just picked a spot on the map before I left today. And this is on the outskirts of Port St. Lucie, Fort Pierce area, Midway Road. And if I have a destination, I'm more encouraged to go out riding versus just trying to wing it. I kind of just get bored if I'm winging it, and I tend to just go back home and put the Ryker away. So you have a lot of farmland out here that's still underdeveloped. And Port St. Lucie is huge. Even though people are complaining that it's growing fast, it's gonna be a long time before it gets really overcrowded, especially on the outskirts of Port St. Lucie. You still have a lot of land that people can build on. They do preserve a lot of farm. I see horses, cows over there. Because I can take the Ryker out, have the rallies. The rally's meant to be out on dirt. I mean, it's the perfect terrain to be out here riding. Now we could just kind of like ride it back out onto the main roads. It's a couple minutes away. Look at this guy. He's in his element right now. All right, let's get out of here. Stop playing around, get some gas. It's a nice view out here for sure. Put it in rally mode. Pretty much in its element if you want to play around with a little bit of dirt. This is the perfect road to do it on. A lot of people don't take them out and play with them in the dirt. I like to. Especially if I can explore a little bit, why not? That's what it's meant for. And I've had a lot of luck out here in Florida finding places to go ride. Ryker is a lot of fun. That's why I still have it and I haven't sold it.